Welcome back, and it's now time for the business day. The JMMB Group is reporting strong double-digit growth across most major revenue lines for the 9 months ended December 31, 2025. The group posted net operating revenue of $22.39 billion, up from $4.25 billion compared with the corresponding period last year. The performance came against a backdrop of geopolitical conflicts, tariff tensions, volatile oil prices, and persistently high interest rates in key global markets.
In relationship to our net interest income, this is where we saw huge gains in terms of strong material growth of $3 billion, or a 38% improving to $11.19 billion year over year. And our operating profit improved to $1.8 billion, our 105% increase year over year.
But due to Hurricane Melissa, Group CEO Senator Keith Duncan says there were some tightening of liquidity in the market as investors withdrew funds to deal with Hurricane Melissa-related expenses. Mr. Duncan says this has affected the interest rate in the secondary market.
However, JMMB was well prepared, having adequate liquidity buffers in place. So we continue to improve performance year over year. We have strong business line performance year over year, where the banking business line increased from $12.3 billion to $14.5 billion, increase of $2.2 billion in revenues. That's an 18% increase. That is good. Our investment business line moved from 4.3 to 7.8 billion, an increase of 2.5 billion, a 45% increase in the investment business line. So the numbers are looking good in terms of our growth in our primary business lines.
Looking forward, the company says it will continue to ensure that there are adequate capital and liquidity buffers across all regulated entities to withstand any shock. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says key infrastructure is needed to make it easier for the public to do business with the government. The Prime Minister addressed the ongoing concerns about inefficiency at a G2K forum on Tuesday evening.
We need a pipeline that connects us to the information highway. And that is why your government has made an investment to lay a new subsea cable to bring in faster, more reliable, and more affordable internet. And that is already underway, because we recognize that if we are going to truly transform the bureaucracy, we're going to literally have to move all services that can be digitalized onto the digital platform.
And that's the Business Day. International news is next.